Welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Resident Evil 4 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, just click on the search box. Then you can type in Resident Evil 4 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page. After you enter your date of birth, you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews, and if you scroll down, you also have the option to play the demo. Click on the download button to play the demo before you purchase the full game, and in order to buy the game, just click on the add to cart button alongside the bundle or edition that you would like to buy. You can then click on view my card to continue towards your payment. Now you can use one of the payment methods from the drop down menu or your Steam wallet balance. After entering the credentials of your chosen payment method, just finalize your transaction and the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation with just a few clicks by choosing your installation directory. And once the installation is completed, you can start enjoying the Resident Evil 4 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Resident Evil 4 on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.